Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to record your screen and face on Canva. The first thing you want to do once on Canva, you're going to select videos. So you'll tap on videos, then from there you can select the type of video that you would like to create. For example, I'll select 1920 by 1080px. Then you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select uploads. Once you have selected uploads, you're going to see the option record yourself. You're going to tap on that. After you have done that, you're going to see your video or picture pop up in the bottom left hand corner. Then you're going to tap on camera and screen in the top right hand corner. After you have done that, you can select whether you like to share a tab or you like to share a window or the entire screen. You can select any one of these options. Let's say I would like to share a window. So I'm going to select this window and I'm going to tap on share. After you have done that, I can hide the tab right here by tapping on hide at the bottom of the page. Then you're going to select record. After selecting record, you can see that it is counting down. So now it is currently recording and you can see that I can go on to other pages. So for example, I could create a how-to tutorial right here. Let's say for example, how to create a social media post. So I could select social media. Then from there, I'll create Instagram post. So I'll select Instagram and I could go over to the left-hand menu option and I could add one of these templates for example sake. Let's say for example this template. Let me go back real quick. I could drag and place this template and you can see it right there. So while doing the how to tutorial, you can see that it is recording my face and voice and screen. Once I'm finished and I would like to stop the recording, all I would need to do is open back the original tab. Then from there I could tap on either pause or I could tap on done. Once I've done that, I can tap on save and exit in the top right hand corner and it is automatically going to be saved and add to the timeline. Now that it has been added to the timeline, from here you can choose to edit it. So I can drag and place the screen right there. After doing that, you can also see my recording right here. And I can also add this and I can edit it whichever way I want by increasing or decreasing the size or so on. And I can scroll down and from there I could also edit the audio and you can see that it splits it up in two. So you have the camera recording on the left hand option right here and then you have the video recording as you can see right there. So it gives you both options so you can edit both options. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe and thank you for watching.